And now I'd like to show what I like to do. And I love doing magic, so I'll show you the first magic I ever learned as a kid. It was inspired from the movie Harry Potter. So what it does is it takes a bit of cotton, okay? Now I need to stretch this cotton a little bit. Alright, and I need a lighter, which I have over here. Okay, now watch this. This is a magical sword. I can say abracadabra. No, I will not say abracadabra to you. Okay, now I'll show you one. So what he did was he had 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cards. So what he did was he took away 2 cards, 1 and 2. He placed it in his pant pocket like this. Then he said abracadabra, but just by magic, he still had 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cards. He continued this feat again. He took 1, 2 cards, put it in his pants pocket. Then he said abracadabra. He still had 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cards. Now at this part of the magic effect, I was as pampered as you were, and I too forgot to applaud. So it doesn't matter. Okay, anyways, he had 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cards. So what he did was he took 2 cards one more time, placed it in his pants pocket. He said abracadabra, and still he had 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cards. Now at this point what he did was absolutely amazing. He took 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cards and put it in his pants pocket. And then he said abracadabra. Do you know how many cards he had in his hands? 5, no, only 2. Yeah, only 2 cards. Then what he did was he took 2 cards, yeah? Like these 2 cards, put it in his pants pocket. Then he said abracadabra. Do you know how many cards he had? No, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Still had 5 cards in his hands. Okay, and I was really shocked. Okay, now what I'm going to ask you is how many of you believe in magic really? Like, how many of you? Yeah, only one. Okay, lots of believes in magic. Okay, now watch this. I'll just go like this. I produce 1 red ball, yeah? Okay, now I'll change it into 2 balls, okay? Watch. Let's blow over here. Oh, it didn't happen. One more time. Watch this. This actually uses the power of the eyes, okay? Watch. 1, 2. Now I've got 2 balls over here. Now watch. 1, 2, 3 balls. Now watch this, okay? One more time. 3 balls. Okay, watch. It's into 4 balls. Okay, now I have 4 balls over here. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Okay, now I'll take 1 ball like this. 1 ball like this. Okay, just say abracadabra. It's an egg, I'll show you, no? Okay, we did. Now watch this. I'll take these 3 balls and make them disappear just like this. Okay. Okay, now one more time. Last ball. Okay, goes like this. Now I'll put this ball in your mouth. Okay, watch. Actually, this was taught to me by Venerable Sai Baba. He came to my dream one day, he taught me this. But instead of producing diamonds, I was producing red balls. Anyways, okay, what's this? This is lighter, okay. I'll keep it over here. I'll take this ball. Okay, now, can everyone say abracadabra? What's it? Comes to my mouth. Okay, now, before I do my last performance, Lordship, with your permission of course, can I just do one thing with you? Only one. I have this notepad in here, and every single page has got something like written on it, okay? Like names in pencil, every single page has got some names written on it. Now I want you, Lordship, to kindly choose one page. This has got 17 pages, just choose one, each page. Second page, okay, Lordship, second, 2. Okay, this is actually about intuition. People have intuition in their minds, right? Okay, second page. Now, Lordship, I want you to say out loud so that everybody can hear. 3-digit number that comes to your mind. Just trust yourself. Okay, what's the number? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Lordship, do you have some reason why you said 1, 2, 3? Oh, it's a sequence. No reasons, right? Okay. Anyways, someone come and read this. What I've written on page number 2. 1, 2, 3. So this is about intuition, actually. Okay. Now I'll do my last performance, then I'll go. Okay. Effect was actually taught to me by my father. My father is dead right now. He died 10 years ago. what I mean to say is he taught me is he came in my dreams one day and he told me, okay Sam, I'll teach you about magic because I am really fascinated with magic. So what he did was he told me to take newspaper, right? And I want everyone to just remember one picture, and it could be anything, just remember one. And what he told me to do was just take the newspaper and tear it into half like this. I tore it into half like this. Then he told me to tear the newspaper again into half one more time. Alright? And finally he told me to tear the newspaper horizontally like this. Okay? And then finally one more time, like this over here. It's getting a bit tough to thank you, I'm jealous. Like this. And then finally what he told me to do was to gather all the pieces together and everyone please say the magic word Bim Salabim, okay? Bim Salabim, yeah. Just say the magic, yeah. Bim Salabim, B-I-M Salabim. Okay, what's this? 1, 2, 3. Actually, this was taught to me by my father. My father is in heaven, but still he supports me. Do you know that? Did you know that actually people when they die and they go to heaven, they can still help you? Yeah, it is true. So I hope I hope the picture that you had previously chosen is still there. And thank you so much. Thank you so much.